Imagine the internet as a city. For many years, the main roads, our layer ones like Ethereum, have been stuck in terrible congestion. Then the saviors appeared, the layer 2s. Highways like Polygon and Arbitrum saved us from traffic jams, making the city usable again. But now, our city is building gigantic skyscrapers for AI and real-world data networks. And these skyscrapers need more than just a multi-purpose highway. They need their own dedicated, super-fast expressway. The question is Layer 3 that new expressway? And does its emergence make Layer 2 obsolete? Welcome back to Hyra Deep Dive. Today, we host the most fundamental architectural showdown ever. We will pit the established Layer 2 champions, Polygon and Arbitrum, directly against the new Layer 3 model, represented by Hyra. Is this the logical next evolution in blockchain scaling, or a solution looking for a problem? Let's find out. Chapter 2. Quick summary. The role of each layer. Before diving deep, let's quickly summarize the role of each layer to ensure we all understand correctly. For a full analysis, watch the first video in our series. Layer 1, like Ethereum, this is the settlement and security layer. Think of it as the supreme court and the solid foundation of our city. It is extremely secure and decentralized, but not built for heavy traffic. Layer 2, like Polygon and Arbitrum, this is the multi-purpose scaling layer. These are the main highways built on top of Layer 1. They use technologies like rollups to process thousands of transactions quickly and cheaply, then bundle them and post a summary back to Layer 1 for final security. Their goal is to make Ethereum usable for everyone, for any kind of application. Layer 3, like Hyra. This is the application-specific scaling layer. If Layer 2 is the general highway, Layer 3 is the dedicated, specialized expressway. It is built on a Layer 2 and designed to provide a highly optimized environment for a specific group of applications, such as AI and DePIN. With that framework in mind, let's start the analysis. Chapter 3. Parameter Showdown. Deep Architectural Analysis. Let's analyze the core differences between these architectural philosophies. Category 1. Core purpose. Horizontal scaling versus vertical scaling. Polygon/Arbitrum, L2s. Their purpose is horizontal scaling. They aim to expand Ethereum's block space for all applications. They are multi-purpose platforms designed to serve DeFi, NFT, gaming, and everything else. Their success is measured by how much overall activity they can attract from the main chain. Hyra L3. Its purpose is vertical scaling. It does not try to be everything for everyone. It is designed to deliver extremely high performance for a specific vertical or niche market, in this case, AI and DePIN applications. Its success is measured by how well it serves the demanding needs of that specific niche market. Category 2. Performance and cost. L2s provide a significant improvement over L1. Transaction costs drop from several dollars to a few cents, and speed increases substantially. They are the engine of retail user activity on Ethereum today. Hyra L3 offers a potential 10x or even 100x improvement in cost and throughput compared to Layer 2 for its specific tasks. Because it batches its transactions onto L2, and because it does not compete with NFT minting or DeFi transactions, its transaction fees can be just a tiny fraction of a cent. This enables the billions of microtransactions needed for a true DePIN network. Category 3. Customizability and specialization. L2s. This is a key point. To serve everyone, Layer 2s must maintain broad compatibility with the Ethereum Virtual Machine, EVM. This limits their ability to make radical changes to the core architecture. They must remain generalists. Hyra L3. This is Hyra's greatest strength. As an application-specific chain, it has great freedom to customize. It can have its own custom virtual machine optimized for AI, native functions integrated into the chain for specific DePIN tasks, and a unique consensus mechanism tuned for its workload. This level of specialization is simply not possible on a general-purpose L2. Category 4. Security Model. L2s. Their security is the jewel in the crown. They inherit security directly from Ethereum's massive decentralized validator set. When you transact on Arbitrum or Polygon, your assets are ultimately secured by Layer 1. Hyra, L3, uses a bridge security model. It inherits security from the Layer 2 it is built on, and that Layer 2 inherits security from Layer 1. So if Hyra is built on Arbitrum, it is secured by Arbitrum, and Arbitrum is secured by Ethereum. The security remains very strong, but it adds an extra layer of complexity to the technology stack. Chapter 4. The verdict: rivals or a symbiotic technology stack? So, after this deep architectural analysis, the final question remains: is Layer 3 superior to Layer 2? The answer is a paradox. The question itself is flawed. They are not competitors. A Layer 3 like Hyra requires a great Layer 2 like Polygon or Arbitrum to operate. Hyra is not the killer of Polygon or Arbitrum. Hyra is their premium user. It is their next logical customer. The whole vision of Layer 3 is to use Layer 2 as the foundation for transaction settlement. Back to the highway metaphor. The Ethereum city was congested. Arbitrum came and built a massive, reliable superhighway system that made the entire city accessible. Now, a new giant AI research park, Hyra, is being built. Instead of just using the main highway, they are building a dedicated express train line from their own specialized expressway running on top of Arbitrum's highway system, connecting directly to the destinations their users need. Investment thesis, with a clear financial disclaimer. An investment in Layer 2s like Polygon and Arbitrum is a broad bet on the ongoing expansion and growth of the entire Ethereum ecosystem. You are betting on the highways. An investment in a specialized Layer 3 like Hyra is a more specific bet. You are betting that within this expanded ecosystem, ultra-demanding applications like AI and DePIN will emerge and require their own specialized, vertically integrated infrastructure. You are betting on the express train line. Chapter 5. Conclusion. The future is a modular technology stack. The debate is not L1 versus L2 versus L3. The future of blockchain is a modular, multi-layered technology stack where each layer performs a specific function better than any other layer. Layer 1 provides ultimate security and decentralization. Layer 2 provides multi-purpose scalability for the masses. And Layer 3 provides ultra-high performance for specialized applications. Polygon and Arbitrum won the previous battle, the battle for multi-purpose scaling. Hyra is the pioneer in the next battle, the battle for application-specific performance. And the beauty is, in this new model, they don't have to be enemies. They can and will work together. If you enjoyed this deep architectural analysis, show your support with a like and subscribe. The showdown continues in our next video, where we analyze Hyra versus competitors in the B2B blockchain space. You won't want to miss it. Thank you for watching.